In this video, we will see what is Selenium and what are the features of Selenium. So let's get started. What is Selenium? In a plain language, we can tell Selenium automates browsers. There are many browsers like Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, and many other. And using Selenium, we can automate the browsers. And what is the main purpose to automate? The main purpose to automate the browsers is to test the web application. And remember one thing, Selenium can be used only for testing web-based applications. Selenium does not support desktop-based application. So sometimes during the interview time, you may be asked, what is the purpose of Selenium? Then you have to tell that we use Selenium to automate browser-based application. We cannot automate any desktop applications. Or they might ask you which type of application is supported by Selenium. Then you have to answer clearly that using Selenium we can only automate or test web-based applications. Besides web application testing, Selenium can be used to automate the web-based administrative task, and it is very easy and simple. The other thing is that Selenium is not a single tool, it's a combination of tools. There are three different tools. One is called Selenium Webdriver, the other tool is Selenium Ide, and the last one is Selenium Grid. So basically, Selenium is the combination of these three. We are not discussing the details of these three because we have a specific tutorial, more details for each topic. Just for now, just remember that there are three different tools in Selenium, which are altogether it is called Selenium. So basically, Selenium is a tool suite, you can say, or a combination of tools. Now let's see what are the browsers supported by Selenium. Selenium supports a wide varieties of browser. It supports Google Chrome, which is in short we call Chrome browser. Then it also supports the Microsoft Edge browser, which is sometimes called Edge. Then it also supports Mozilla Firefox, which we also sometimes call it as Firefox browser. Then it also supports Opera browser, and also it is supported by Apple Safari browser, which is sometimes called Safari browser, and finally the old browser of Microsoft, which is Internet Explorer or IE browser. It also supports by Selenium. So basically all major browsers are supported by Selenium. Again, I am telling Selenium is used for testing web-based application, and as it is web-based application, generally we access web-based application using some browser, and these are the browsers which are supported by Selenium till now. Now let's see what are the operating systems supported by Selenium. Basically, Selenium supports most operating system. Not most, I will say almost every operating system. It supports Microsoft Windows, it supports Apple's Mac operating system, and it also supports the Linux operating system or Sun Solaris also. So basically, all operating system is supported by Selenium. Now let's see what are the supported languages by Selenium. We will use Selenium to automate our browser, but for that we need to write some code. To write the code, we need to use some sort of programming language. Right now, Selenium supports a lot of programming language. It majorly supports Java language, then JavaScript. It also supports C Sharp, which is Microsoft programming language. Then it also supports Ruby. It also supports Python. These are the major languages, but beside those, Selenium also supports some other languages also, like Go, Haskell, Perl, PHP, R, and Dart. Right now, these are the supported languages by Selenium. The last and most important on other feature of Selenium that it is open source. We don't have to spend any single penny to use Selenium. It's completely open source and free. That's why it becomes very popular among all the companies to test the web-based application which is completely automated. In market, there are many other tools or software or some API which can be used as the replacement of Selenium. But most of those tools are not free. You have to pay some amount or you have to purchase the software to use in your application testing. But if you use Selenium, then you don't need to purchase any software or you don't have to pay any price for using this Selenium tool. This is one of the best feature of Selenium beside the other things, and that's why it becomes very popular. Let's summarize what is Selenium. We mentioned that it is open source and this is a collection of tool, and it supports multiple browser, multiple languages and multiple operating system or platforms. So in total, if we combine all the terms and technologies, we can define Selenium like this way. Selenium is an open source automation testing tool which can be used exclusively for web-based applications testing, and Selenium supports multiple languages, multiple platforms, and multiple browsers.